So you're running a PA system that includes the Yorkville M810 powered mixer and the VLH115 speakers. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to use it with confidence. Let's talk about how to set the speakers up. Locate your speaker stands 15 to 20 feet apart to the right and left of your stage. Then, raise your speaker level up so that the horn is just above the heads of the audience. That way the sound will project to the back of the room. Next, you want to make sure that your performers are behind the front of the speakers so that you don't get feedback. Then we want to locate our mixer off to the side of the stage or at a mixed position back into the audience. Let's start at the back of the mixer. After plugging it in, let's turn it on. Take your speaker cable that goes to your right speaker and plug it into side A, and your speaker cable that goes to your left speaker into side B. Then on the back of the speaker, plug it into either of your 1/4 inch inputs. To begin using our mixer, let's first locate the master volume. We're going to turn that up about 3/4 of the way. Then on channel 1, we'll plug in our first input. Turn our volume knob up to the white mark. Next, speak into the microphone and turn up your trim until you get full volume without feeding back. Check, check. Repeat this step for each channel you plug in. Each channel has a low, mid, and high frequency EQ. You can also add in effects, and this is where you can add that channel into your monitor mix. Next, let's take a look at the effects. You can dial in the effect you want with this knob. Here I've chosen an echo. You can then adjust the quality of the effect. Next, look at your main effects return. This controls the overall volume of that effect. Now that we've got that dialed in, if we want to add it onto our channel, check, check. Add it here with the effects knob. Check, Doo Wop. If you're using a laptop or a mobile device, take the supplied aux cord, plug it into either of your stereo channels. This then goes into your laptop or device, and turn up the white knob until you get the desired volume. And now you're ready to use this PA system with confidence. If you're using any other components, be sure to check out the videos on how to use those. And call us if you need one-on-one support.